Yes, Raju bhai. Over to
Yeah.
you.
Thank you so much, Sanjay bhai. Once again, a very happy afternoon to each one of you. One request is please, I want answers in the chat box, whatever I ask. This is going to be a little participation kind of a stuff. So I request your participation. So if everybody's okay with this, please type okay in the chat box. Let me see if everybody's, with me right now. If you're okay with it, type okay in the chat box. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for the overwhelming response. Just wanted to ask you, okay, off the radar, I'm sure in the last 35, 34, 35 days, all of us have attended numerous webinars and training programs and whatnot. Okay, just how many of you attended more than one or two training programs? Just write I in the chat box. I, alphabet I. Yeah. I want everybody's participation, please. Few of you have attended lots and lots of them. Because where I'm coming from, thank you so much for your response. What I'm coming down to is, okay, let me tell you, one thing which I've learned in life is knowledge everybody gives you, but important point is the implementation part, which you and yourself is responsible, nobody else is. जो भी करना आपको खुद को करना है, and that is when what happens is all of us have attended so many webinars and stuff, but I can assure you very few of us maybe would have taken down some to-do list. I have seen Nitin's list. He showed when we about Dilip's session that we had previously, one or two others I saw them doing that. What is happening is, let me tell you, from here on way forward is very important. uh, Everything is going to happen, okay, the way it is going to happen. But what my request, okay, if you want to actually face the challenges, first stop getting into the minds of others, saying that others are coming and telling you this is going to happen, that is going to happen, falana dimka. Okay, first stop those kind of negative kind of stuff which is coming your way. The first thing, if you want, you can write down. First, cover yourself, quarantine yourself from negative news. Because let me tell you, my assessment says we are going to have some amazing time going ahead. Now, for that, what you should be doing, now, how should you be prepared? You and I also need to be prepared. Well, I have already experimented and I'm coming from my experience in the last 35 days. I'm not going to give you any gyan. What I've learned in the last 35 days and implemented in and seeing results, that is what I'm sharing with you. Point number one, first is quarantine yourself from the negative news. Very important. Very important. Because let me tell you, it's not just about you, a big family of yours around you, plus your employees, your staff, whether you pay them, you don't pay them, half pay, full pay, but you are a big source for their revenues. Okay, one. Point number two, so quarantine yourself from negative news. There is going to be some amazing bright future for us, especially in India. People who are in India, it is going to be amazing. Point number two, please be part of some strong, mentally strong group, some knowledgeable group, something like a JBN that we have. JBN, people who just don't talk in air, but people who can support each other. Okay, today look at it. Basant has in quarantine, when the world is crying, Basant says, I've already exported some chairs. Now, this is something amazing. This is what I mean. You need to be around people who are with strong mindset. Okay, very crucial. Otherwise, easily you are going to get into that zone. Point number three, networking is even more crucial going forward. Let me be very clear. Networking is going to play even more crucial role than now in the future. Important point is staying connected. I have not seen in the last meeting also, we didn't have many one-to-ones. In this meeting, let's see how many one-to-ones come out. But important point as businessmen is, please continue with a one-to-one, especially with your immediate people who you have done business with or interact with. This is very crucial. 5, please trust your business. Very crucial. Please trust your business. The way things are being done may change, but you will still end up profitable. Next 3 months is going to be crucial. Okay, you may not see the way we have done business in the past. The way we do is going to change. important point is after 3 months, it is going to go to something what we have seen in the past. The question is, are you prepared for it? Because the methods are going to change. I'm again telling you, your business, like a Mahavir Bhai, you may not see events happening, okay? But certainly people can't do without marriage. Yeah, it is required. The methodologies may change. We need to be together. And one important point, what I want to tell you is, this is my last point, last 30 seconds. We still have opportunities for a lot of our members. You need to start looking for them. What if I don't get my business, but I can certainly get for my fellow members? A lot of you have started with thermometers, with gloves and those kind of equipment, which is hot cake right now. We need to look out for business for them. To somebody like a Vishal, he is in big demand right now. Ashok Bhai, once the lockdown is down, every damn car is going to require something or the other. So his business, my business, there is going to be referrals possible, and Madan Bhai and Mahavir Bhai, there is a lot of possibilities of business for them. We need to look. There are of course a lot of them which are there. I just took sample examples to show us that we need to start looking at possibilities. If I as businessmen stop looking at possibilities, it is going to be difficult. This is a mind game, mind you. So whether for me or whether for somebody else, I need to still scout for business. As a businessman, my biggest job is scout for business. Do not stop looking for business. And one last important bottom line that I have understood is JBN is going to play a crucial role. Already Mahavir Bhai, Manish Bhai has told me I'll connect you to Jito Australia. I'm again telling you, JBN is a very powerful platform. Only thing is we need to know how to extract from it. This is the stuff. Thank you so much. All the best.